we are in deepest Kyoto. And can I say it's bloody lovely. Very old-fashioned. Lots of wood everywhere you look. The lighting, absolutely second to none. It's really beautiful. I can't bloody believe it. Absolutely cracking. Enjoy with your family and friends. Come with your loved ones to Kyoto. See you now. Ta-da!